Hello children, good morning. How are you all? So I hope everyone is fine and everyone is doing well. And so I have given you the project works. I have given a project work. And how many members completed that project work? Yeah, so those that project is from FA1. So that project will depend upon the FA1 marks. So everyone, everyone, please complete your project work. And also, I already said you. So whatever. So how many lessons I have completed? Till that you have to complete your workbook portion and the CW portion. So I hope everyone. So maximum members completed, and those who are not completed, please try to complete your workbook and CW part. Okay, well and good. So till here we are very clear. And also, so before I said no, so lesson number 5. So while explaining the lesson, so their explanation part is completed. And I said the workbook part also. I said the workbook part also. Okay, so workbook part also completed. So I am going to explain now. So now I am going to explain lesson number 6 because lesson number 5 is not there. So I already said no, due to COVID-19 they have, so we should not take the COVID-19 or corona. So they have taken some lessons from the portion. So they have taken out some lessons from the portion. So what are those lessons? So I am going to write here. So please remember 3 4 3 4 5 3 4 5 12 14. Okay, so 3 4 5 12 14. So these are the lessons which are not there in your portion. So which are not there in your portion. So our bad luck is, so already we have completed these lessons. Okay, already we have completed these lessons. In the explanation also completed, and the workbook CW is also completed. Okay, only two lessons are there for us which are not there in the portion. So only for the sixth class it is there like this. So the remaining classes are okay. So whatever the next lessons are not there, so for us only. So whatever the completed lessons are not there, so okay, take it easy because we used to learn. So every lesson we used to learn. If it is if this case is not there, then we used to learn each and every lesson. So now okay, light. Okay, so now which lesson we are going to which lesson we are going to discuss? Yeah, see here children. So for example, some animals will be there, some animals will be there. So they will have their so they can live in the water and they can live outside of the water also. Can you name that animal? So for example, it is a frog. So it can live outside and also it can live in the water also. So and some animals only they can live in the land, so live on the land, and some animals only they can live in the water. So why they are having why they are can live only they, or why they are thinking that only they can live in the water and they can't? So did you ever tried for example, if a fish is there, fish, everyone likes to eat fish, no? So once try that, so it will come from water, no? So after, if you are keeping out from the water, is it alive? No. Okay, so it will be dead. So they are habituated, to live in the water. So they are living in the water. So some animals, they are habituated to live in the land, so that they will live on the land. Okay, now in this session we are going to discuss about habitat. So what is our lesson? Habitat. Okay, so lesson number 6, habitat. So Now we are going to discuss. One boy. So Uma was there. So Uma was swimming in the village. So there in the village, so many ponds will be there. No. So Uma went along with her elder brother. So she is having one elder brother. So Uma went along with her elder brother. So where she went? Where she went, children? She went near the pond. Okay, and she was really enjoying like swimming. She was enjoying her swimming. She saw several things on the several things in the pond. They are having different, so we cannot compare, so we cannot compare with the one. So for example, if it is some lotus is there, some lotus flowers will be there, and the lotus leaves also will be there. And if you are crossing the from that place, they are seeing the different one. So, and also his brother, so what her brother is explaining, so showing some of eggs. So some eggs are there, no. So he's showing the eggs to her sister. Okay, so many leafy bushes. So, and also snail eggs, and also several organisms eggs are there, no. So very small eggs will be there, no. So that all he's showing to her sister. And human beings would all hold there. So for example, what they are telling, so for example, underwater animals will be there, no. So underwater aquatic animals will be there. So how can they stay in the water? For example, human beings. So we are the human beings. If we are in the water, so if we are in the water, can we stay can we stay for at least more than 5 to 10 minutes? Can we stay in the water? No. But how the animals are staying in the water? How they are staying in the water? So underwater for such exploration. So with that, so many exploration. So they have seen. Okay, but we would gasp to for breathe just after short time and come to the surface. So what they are telling, so we'll go on for swimming, no. So if we are swimming means, okay, for some time we can. Okay, under the water we cannot stay for so much time. Okay, at least the Guinness Book Record the awards, who have won also, they are also not for so much time. Okay, they are also having some period of time, so their limitation will be there. Okay, for staying in the water. So but daily they can't stay. Okay, daily they can't stay in the water. So in the same way, those, okay, they are living in the water. So if they are coming out, they can stay. So I said the example of fish. So it cannot stay. So if it is coming out from the water, it cannot stay. So in the same way, for example, if you are telling the cow is there, no. So if I am telling the cow to stay in the water, can it? No. So because it is habituated, the habit. So whatever the animals, so not only the animals. So for example, habitat would. So for example, if you are also staying, so some people will be there. So if they are going to the other place, so they will not able to sleep properly, because they are habituated in their own house. So they are habituated. For example, if you are thinking as an example of my father, so take an example of my father only. So if he can't sleep in any other places, so he's habituated in his house only. So wherever he is to go, so at least it may be the night time during the journey, so he may do the journey in the night time also, but he is to come to the home, then only he will sleep. So every person have their own habitude. And for example, if you are taking me as an example means, if wherever the place, so I am able to sleep. So it is different. So when compared to the other persons, we will be having different habitude. In the same way, the two persons will not have the same habituations. So the animals also, so one animal is different from the other animal. So those are living in the water, they are habituated in the water, and those are living in the land. So terrestrial animals, they are habituated to the terrestrial. Okay, so we'll see. So habitat. In this we are having two. What are those? Terrestrial, aquatic. So everyone know very well. So terrestrial means water. So land. So on the land where they are. So those are terrestrial. Aquatic means those are living in the water. So those animals, the animals which are living in the water, they are called as aquatic. And those are living on the land. So those are called as terrestrial. Okay. See here. So in the terrestrial, again they are having the subdivisions. What are those? So they are having polar region, desert area. So polar region, desert area, mountains, mountains, grassland, grasslands, and in the forest. So these are all comes under land. Okay. And coming to the aquatic. So in the aquatic, it will be in fresh water and marine water. So in this again they are classified. So the terrestrial is classified into five types and the aquatic. So you can see so different types of terrestrials and the aquatic. So if you are seeing in the terrestrial, so terrestrial will be the polar region will be there and desert area will be there and mountains and grassland and the forest. So if it is coming to the aquatic, so we are having fresh water and the marine water region. So if you are seeing polar region means mostly what do you observe in the polar region? So which animal you will see in the polar region? So everyone in the name itself it is there. What is that? Polar bear. So everyone know about the polar bear, no? So it will stay in the polar region. So coming to the desert. So in the desert we can see some plants and also some animals. Okay. So mostly whatever the names we know we will discuss. So camel. Camel is the animal which will live in the desert area. Next, which plant? So we'll tell mostly which plant? Cactus. Cactus. So we'll see cactus in the desert area. So we'll see cactus in the desert area. Do you know one thing? There will be a story about the cactus and also the rose. So while you are in the childhood days, I think childhood days, you can read that story. So what is that story means? The rose is there, no? So rose will tell, I'm very smart. So see these cactus plants, how it is. So it is fully covered with some, what is that? Thorns. Okay. So I am very beautiful. So other plants which are there, the sunflower plant and also the remaining marigold plants, are what they are. So what they are telling. So you are also having thorns, no? So why you are criticizing the cactus plant? So it is talking like that. So daily it is to criticize the, so it is to tease the cactus plants daily. So and what happened at one fine day? So the summer season came. So while the summer season came, so one bird came. So they will not have water, no? So one bird came and from the cactus it is drinking the water. So it is drinking the water and the rose plant is there, no? So rose plant is fully dried up, and the leaves which are there that are also falling down, and also rose is also becoming so it is not looking like a glue. So uh, the rose was talking with the cactus. So how can you store the water? How can you store the water and how the birds are drinking water? So if the birds are drinking water from your side, so you are not getting any pain. It is asking the cactus. Okay, it is asking the cactus tree. The cactus replied, if the pain is coming for me, but the bird which is there, it is drinking water and it will be satisfied, so it will be alive. So with the help of, so with my help, some person is living. So i can i can I can so whatever the pain is there, I can tolerate. Okay. And the rose asked, so sorry for whatever the so daily I'm criticizing you, but can you do one help for me? So I'm fully dried and I'm not able to, so I'm very thirsty also. So can you please tell the bird which is there, so can you please ask the bird to pour water for me? Okay. Then the bird which is there, no, so the bird drank water and it poured water for the rose. Next, the rose was so fully, so it was shining, and the leaves which are there, those are also normal. So from this story, what do you uh, grasp? So what is the point you have grasped? Yeah. So whoever, so they may not be very beautiful. Okay, they may not be so handsome. Okay, but they are also having some they are also having some knowledge, also different. So while compared, so for example, if you are well in studies, and if the other person is well in dance, so don't criticize the persons. So everyone have their own talent. Okay. Try to encourage their talent, but don't criticize it. Okay. In the same way, don't criticize and don't underestimate any persons. So every person have their own talent and have their own type of knowledge. Okay. So please, from this, why I said this story, so from this story we can learn, we should not criticize the other person. Okay, well and good. So in the desert, we'll see the camel and the cactus. And if it is a mountains means, so mountain means what you'll see, mountain goats. So we'll see mountain goats and conifers. So we'll see the mountain goats and the conifers. So if it is in the grassland means, we'll see grassland. In the name itself, it is there, grass. And we'll see zebra and different types of animals. Okay. In the forest, tiger. Okay. We'll see the tigers and the oak. Okay. And if it is a freshwater means so many are there, rivers, lakes, ponds. Okay, rivers, lakes, ponds. So in the rivers, we'll see the fishes, water jellies. Okay. Next, in the lakes, frogs, lotus. In the ponds, we'll see duck and pond scatters will be there, no? That. Okay. And the sea, in the marine water, we'll see prawns. So everyone like to eat prawns, no? Seaweeds. Next, in the oceans, sharks and coral reefs. So we can see, so the different in the terrestrial also, they are having so many types of terrestrials. So in this, in every place they are having one, so at least one animal and the one plant. So, and in some places there are so many animals and so many plants. In this way, so they are habituated, the camel is habituated in the desert area, and the remaining, so they are habituated in the, so water. So in this way, every animal and every uh, animal and every plant is habituated with different places. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss in detail, so where these plants and where these animals were living. So So in the next session, we'll discuss it in detail. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.